How to add email in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this me icon. Simply tap on this me icon. Now, here on the right top, tap on this settings icon. Now, we're in this settings interface. So this is the place where you can customize and add different options. Here, simply select account management and slowly scroll down. So here there's a section called email. Simply tap on email. Now here, in order to verify and add your email, you must simply enter it and tap on next. So a verification code will be sent and you can simply enter the code and you'll be able to connect it with the Bigo Live account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.